You must be really excited to get started with Django. But before we can go ahead and install Django, there is one small problem. And let me try and explain what I'm talking about. So this is you are a developer and you are supposed to work on a couple of projects which involve Django. So this is the scenario. One of the project is an old and legacy project which is using Django version 2.10. Another version is using Django 3.2 and another one is using 4.1. Now the problem is, how do we ensure that all of the developers are using the exact same version? Now this problem can be solved by using a virtual environment. So what this virtual environment is going to do is, it is going to create an isolated environment for each and every developer. And inside this isolated environment, we can have our dependency management. So if you come from JavaScript and NPM, you know that there are a couple of different package management systems. Python also has its own package management system, and that's what we are going to do inside our virtual environment. So let's see how to create our virtual environment, and after that we can see how to install Django on top of that.